Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and somebody had a question also about the advanced startup options or the advanced boot options. In Windows, 95, 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 even, there is a simple thing that you could do to go to the advanced boot menu. You would simply restart your computer and you'd hold down the F8 key. And you'd get into the Windows Advanced Startup options, which had save mode, all sorts of things like that. Now, today, that F8 doesn't work anymore. Since Windows 8, that option has been changed. And somebody was asking, is there still an advanced boot menu? Can we go into safe mode? All of that is there, yes. And actually today I thought that it was a pretty good idea to revisit all of these options and see what you have in the advanced boot menu, both for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So on Windows 10, how do you go to that advanced menu that you used to have before? And in subsequent videos, we'll look at what are the options that are available also. So say you want to go to safe mode, or you want to simply boot from a device, it's available in there. All sorts of things are possible within this advanced boot menu. So to go into the boot menu, simply go into the Start button, go into your Settings app. Here, go into Update and Security, and go to Recovery on the left side in Windows 10. Here you have Advanced Startup. It tells you it's startup from a device, a disk, such as USB DVD. Change your PC's firmware settings. Change Windows startup settings, restore Windows from a system image. You can actually go to System Restore. You can have safe mode with command prompt. All of that is in there. So simply click Restart Now under the Advanced Startup. Once that is done, you'll get into that Advanced Startup, and we'll be looking at the different options and other videos. So start by at least knowing how to go there, and once there, you'll have videos explaining the different options that you might want to search for within the Advanced Startup or Advanced Boot option within Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.